Okay, so we are back in Riverside on a very windy day. I've got my 200-600 Sony a7R IV-A. Got some decent shots so far. I was trying to do some drone videos, but unfortunately the wind's like 30 miles an hour plus, so the chances of actually getting the drone to stay steady during that are very unlikely. So I will pass. Oh, there's a black butterfly there. So we'll just do some casual photos. Enjoy the nature walk, which will soon be overtaken by bike in Riverside development. I've only had the 200-600 for a few weeks now. Still getting used to the weight of it. It's really awkward to carry. There's no bags which will fit it. Yeah, but it's quite a good lens for wildlife when you're using a 70-200 Sony G Master Mark II. But I thought it was time upgrade to see if we can get the photo of that boat up over there. As it leaves, yep. The sun's not really out today, but I'm using my settings. You can see them, it might be too dim. But 1/3200 f8 ISO 1250. My ISO is quite high because I use the denoise AI, which doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I was taking some photos in really low light with this lens at ISO 8000, and it turned out quite well. Let's see what if we can spot anything. It's normally goldfinches sometimes on the railings if you're lucky. I have not been today. I was in some reeds earlier on, but I did not manage to get the photo because of the wind. They blew and then the birds flew off. Big bee. I'm using a DJI mic as well, just clipped to my chest. So this will be a good test to see how good the audio is in really harsh winds. So this is a good test for me for future content, perhaps. Yeah, I can see one of them over there. Oh, he's dived down. He's gone. He is gone. I can hear them and don't see them. Yeah. Not having much luck spotting them, that's for sure. Don't quite know what it was. Very small bird. Oh. Is that one? No. Bit of grass. You'll probably see me maybe uploading photos within the city, so I am London based. So if you like street photography and maybe just generally seeing how the city is, if you're planning to visit, perhaps that'll be a good video so I can show you some of the spots which I might suggest to go to. Oh, we've got a pigeon over there. It's a nice day today as well, considering by the water. It's been so hot recently in the UK. It's scorching. It's a nice difference to be in. Classic British summer weather. My strap was blocking the camera. That's smart of me. Oh, there's a pigeon there. He's gonna fly off. No, he's not. Oh, there he's gone. God damn, it's windy. It's the pigeon again. See if we can try to get a photo. Try to get as close as possible. Oh, he's thinking of it. He's thinking of flying. There we are. It's not much, it's a pigeon. It's better than what I have got so far. If you haven't come down here yet, Barking Riverside is an upcoming development area where they're building all of these apartments on a private rent scheme, or shared ownership, all that fun stuff. There are some people who want to protect this path because they basically just want to slate it all off and put slabs here, kind of like a beach resort, but people don't agree with that. There's another Uber boat coming in for its final destination. Yeah, not much out there. It's the wind, no doubt. Can hear it, don't see it. I'm excited for winter with this lens because I think that's where it will shine the most. It's too much foliage stopping the focusing system, being able to see what you want, and then everything which you can hear you should also be able to see with a spot of luck. But yeah, not much to see. I guess I'll just, considering not much is out, spent already 2 hours out, thought I'd give the GoPro and mic a go. I shall put you away in my bag so people don't get suspicious of what I am, what I'm doing. Set that down there, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very small walk and test. I'll let it be, and thank you for watching. So I thought I would share some of the photos I took because I didn't record throughout the entire outing. I think some of these photos turned out quite well. Considering this is a wildlife lens, which is I guess primarily for birds, it does work quite well as well as a macro type lens. At least you get close-ups. You do have to be stood quite far back, but I think it's done a good job. If you're looking forward to more content, hopefully without the strap in the way next time, maybe inside London, please remember to leave a like and comment, just so I'm aware. Thanks for watching.